Hello everyone, Jungah here. Today I'm going to explain how to say how are you in Korean. This question is an excellent question for a conversation starter. How are you can be asked in 3 different ways. The most common way is 잘 지냈어요? 잘 지냈어요. This question is a polite version that you can use at work or in public. 잘 means well, 지냈어요 means spend time or lived. You're asking, did you spend your time well? Or did you live well? You can also say it as 잘 있었어요. This question means, have you been well? When talking to your close friends or someone younger than you, you can leave out the yo at the end. This makes the question more informal. So, instead of saying 잘 지냈어요, you can say 잘 지냈어? Likewise, instead of 잘 있었어요, you can ask 잘 있었어? To elders, we say 잘 지내셨어요? 잘 지내셨어요. 지내셨어요 is the honorific version of 지냈어요. Honorifics are used when you're talking to elders or someone in a higher position than you. This question is great to ask after greeting someone. For example, 안녕하세요. 잘 지내셨어요? Pretty easy. Try using this next time you go outside and hang out with your Korean friends. You might also even use it with other students who are learning Korean. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It lets us know which videos are the most helpful. Then we can make more of those videos for you. Bye for now!